video number 2 for today. I don't really make them. I've been losing my interest in making these videos. Again, ungrateful people. It kind of just cuts you, just cuts you in places you don't want to be cut. That's on your soul, If you know what I mean. Don't worry about it. So, something I've learned with DTF Sheet. This is something you may not do. Just something I've learned in all my experimentationing. If you are using a hot peel sheet, because that's what I like to use, do not switch to a cold peel sheet. Not the brand. The brand doesn't matter. The type of sheet is what actually matters. Alright, so if you're using cold peel, stick with cold peel. If you're using hot peel, stick with hot peel. One, again, I think I said it in my other video, they literally absorb ink differently. And I really mean they absorb ink differently. That's number one. Number two, the prints come off differently. It presses differently. It even bakes differently. Because of all the ink and the other stuff that goes into it. So if you're using hot peel, stick with hot peel. The brand really kind of don't matter. They kind of roughly the same, the hot peel ones. Cold peel and hot peel are technically handled the same. Apart from glossy and matte, of course, again, handle ink differently. Peels differently, performs differently. So you might want to stick with the same type of sheet. This is why I'm literally telling you, stick with the same type of sheet. Not the brand. Don't worry so much about the brand, but the actual sheet itself. My opinion is probably the same people making the same damn sheets and just split them up between them. All the people that sells them on them. So probably all the people that's selling them. So it really doesn't matter what brand you buy. It's probably like a handful of people making the sheets anyway. So it really doesn't matter where you get it from. My opinion. So I want to show you what it does. So if you look on the back of my see my wheels, those little black wheels back there, them little black wheels, them ones, yes. So if you look at all of them, see how dirty they are. All right, that was actually caused by the cold peel sheets. Every printer is different. Every one of those wheels are different. So if you have a manufactured DTF printer, it might not affect you. But if you have a Epson, one of these Epson printers, it will affect your rollers like that. And that came from my cold peel sheets. Again, the coating is different. So the cold peel ones, that stuff just flakes off. The hot peel ones don't flake off as much. This is why when I switched back over to hot peel, and I said there was something wrong with my the sheets that I love to use. Cannot remember the name right now. The sheet that I love to use. And I said there's something wrong with the sheets. No, it wasn't anything wrong with the sheets. It was actually something don't quote me on this one. There probably wasn't anything wrong with the DTF sheets. It was the fact that I switched my sheets so much between hot peel, cold peel, trying different sheets and stuff to give you information. That's probably what the issue was. Probably was user error. Probably wasn't anything wrong with the sheets. So I want to make that correction. So if you're using a cold peel sheet, stick with cold peel. If you're using hot peel, do not switch to cold peel because you're going to hate yourself if you try to go back to hot peel. I prefer the hot peels better. They peel better. They press nicer. That's just my preference. Again, you choose what you want to do. If you're somebody who don't like to peel your stuff right away, hot peel really won't make a difference to you. But I don't like to switch if I have something on my iron. I want it to come off. I don't want to pick it back up again. I just want to press it, give it 2 seconds, peel the thing off, press it, done with it, put it away. I don't have to touch it again. Cold peel, you got to press it, take it off, put it down, let it cool. While you're pressing the other one, then you go back through the stack and you do them all over again. I don't like that method. I just like to do one and done. Okay, that's just my thing. I'm giving you way too much information, but stick with the same type of sheet, not the brand, but the actual type. Cold peel, hot peel, or glossy. I think those are the only two. There's only ones you really have to worry about. All right, so Peace.
Step up your A game, step up your